nature, the mountains. It's a glorious day to be alive, happy and gay. No, got no knife, just me bare hands, and me bollocks, and me bollocks. What happens if it starts pouring? Holy moly. You hear that, mate? That's the sound of bloody rain. The raindrops keep falling on my head, and that's the reason I'll be dead. So what just happened right now, Manu? So what just happened right now to us? I walked all the way up to this high knob tower. And was there a tower up there?
It was not.
Oh my, this forest just wants to kill you. They're gonna tremble your legs, you're gonna slip on a rock. Off to some further adventures. I licked the moss. I think we're headed north. I think that's what that means. I'm not scared. Oh shit, man, am I gonna die? It's a good PlayStation. I'm gonna die right here, mate. Oh god. It's raining again.
Holy moly.
Holy moly! It's a storm out here. It is a rainy storm.
Get the umbrella?
Oh man, we gotta make it back to the car now.
Alright, come on baby. You're done with it. You're done with it.
No, it's not done, Mano. It's not gonna stop.
Done. It's done.
You don't control the forest controls you. Holy moly. Eating our snacks. We just made it. I even forgot the trail's name, but this trail beat us. We did not beat it.
High